Money management is an essential life skill that everyone should learn. With the right knowledge and discipline, you can make the most of your finances and be well on your way to financial freedom. Finance 101 is a guide to help you understand the basics of personal finance. It covers topics such as spending habits, bank accounts, investments, tips and tricks for managing money, and more. It also provides motivation and discipline to help you stay on track with your financial goals. With this YouTube channel, you will gain the knowledge necessary to make sound financial decisions and take control of your finances.